we will continue doing that and developing this theory, but for now I can name 3 main points which we identified as being important in relation to the theory for our project. First of all, thinking through scales. That means the question already mentioned, how to relate local scale to a global, planetary or other scales. Second one would be putting together and thinking through different temporalities, because we realize that in the context of our research, the urgency is, of course, something we all feel and which exists, but still it does not always mean an urge for immediate action. It can also be an urge to slow things down, to change a direction, to think about it once more. And we have very different temporalities coming together in this, in our research. As for instance, like biographical temporality, time of single people, or we have a deep time of nature, of toxicity, for instance, very long time periods, or we have politicians and their thinking is mostly embedded into into temporalities of political legislation periods, and so on and so forth. So our challenge now is to think about how we can think through these temporalities, how do they coexist in the same time, and what effects does this have? And the third point is how to put and to relate different knowledges to each other, different systems of knowledge, and how can we make to contribute them contribute to each other. Because we have, of course, lots of scientific knowledge in the context of climate urgency and climate change, but then we have the local knowledge, we have an embodied knowledge in local contexts, we have also knowledge of native people, and these knowledges are sometimes very different, and they also clash and not always harmonize with each other. But anyways, we believe that these knowledges can contribute to each other and that it is necessary to find ways to relate them.